Have you ever noticed how cutting vegetables or meat always ends up hurting your wrists because dull knives just dangerously slip around? I almost gave up on cooking at home because of it, until I discovered a centuries-old Japanese forging technique that literally transformed the way I cook, and I am going to reveal the secret behind this very specific hole in the blade that changes absolutely everything. By the way, if you want to see which knife I am talking about and take advantage of this trick yourself, I put the link to the official store with a massive 70% off promo right down in the description, so go check it out before the offer ends because it is the last day and stocks are running out super fast. For years, I struggled with dull, uncomfortable, and poorly balanced blades. Honestly, prepping meals had become a real chore. And then I discovered the Matsato kitchen knife. It is not just a utensil, it is a true revolution. What struck me right away was this laser-cut hole made with surgical precision to slip your index finger into. That is the famous secret, it gives you absolute control and perfect balance, which makes chopping incredibly smooth and effortless. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel and went through an amazing ice hardening process, being cooled below -100 degrees Celsius to form martensite. Basically, this means the blade is extremely hard, keeps its razor-sharp edge much longer without needing constant sharpening, and is completely wear-resistant. And we absolutely have to talk about the handle. It is made of premium beech wood with a beautiful dark texture, but most importantly, it offers the most comfortable and secure grip I have ever tried. Whether I am dicing tiny veggies or slicing huge chunks of meat, the knife has the ideal weight and stability for every single task. Each Matsato knife goes through a rigorous 138-step manufacturing process, blending centuries-old Japanese craftsmanship with ultra-modern design. If you are tired of struggling with your knives and want to rediscover the true joy of cooking with chef-worthy equipment, I really suggest you do not wait. You can click the link in the description right now to take advantage of this exclusive online offer for just $39.99 instead of $133.30 retail. Plus, if you order today, you even get a free cookbook as a gift with your order. It is really the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen or to give as a gift. In fact, it is the #1 Father's Day gift. Click the link below, discover this masterpiece of craftsmanship for yourself, grab that 70% discount while it is still available, and finally take back control and have fun in your kitchen.